So now let's see how we can utilize the factorial trace effect inside of GIMP. So in order to utilize the factorial trace effect, you need to first go around onto the filters right here and then go around over here onto map right here. Then you can see that factorial trace is an option. So if I were to go around onto fractal trace, then you can see that I get this effect right here where I have small image copies around over here and a big one right here. So you can go around and change around the level of factorials right here just like this. So you can go around and change around the numbers as you can see right here. Let me just go around over here and then let's say for example cancel this. I change around the effect too much. So let's just go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto map right here and then onto factorial trace right here just like this. So let's just go around and increase this out a bit right here just like this by using the arrow keys, and there you go. You can go around, make some changes, subtle changes as you can see right here. You can also go around and change around the x-axis too right here, and then you can also go around right here and change around the y-axis right here as you can see right here. So you can go around and change the factorial trace according to how you want. There's the depth level as well, so you can go around and change around the depth level, and then what happens is that you get more numbers right here as you can see right here. You can decrease this out and so forth and increase this out according to how you want as well. You can go around and change around the length around over here as well. So let's just go around and then you can change around the length as you like and change around the opacity as you like as well. So you can see that right now it's in loop. You can also go for clamped right here. Let's say for example, you can go for black right here. You can go for white right here and so forth as you can see just like this as well. So that is how you can work around with factorial trace effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.